Hi, I'm Artie from artieweb.com, Minnesota breeder of Bichons, Shih Tzus, and Poodles, toy, tiny, and teacup. You are your dog's first line of defense against many problems. Doing a once-a-week pet exam is a wise choice since your dog cannot tell you it's feeling under the weather. Sign up for my free tips at artieweb.com and learn how to do the pet exam. You can stop ear infections by simply examining your dog's ears on a weekly basis. Ear infections can be signs of other health issues like allergies, gum, or tooth infections. Learning how to remove the hair that can grow inside of your dog's ear canal is easy. The removal of the hair will save discomfort to your pet and vet bills. The ear hair growth is common to poodles, Bichons, Shih Tzus, and several other dog breeds. Most dog owners only check the ears if they see their dog scratching its ears repeatedly or shaking its head often. By that time, it usually requires a trip to the vet. If this is the first time you've tried to remove the ear hair, or the dog will not sit still, use an obedience collar with a short lead hooked to something stable, or have another person help you hold the dog. Keep the session short, especially if the dog shows discomfort. Try another session the next day. First, start by flipping your pet's ear back to see the inside of the ear. Push the outer ear hair away from the inner ear hair. With your thumb and forefinger, grasp a few of the inner hairs and start to gently pull them out in the direction the hair grows. Repeat. Only remove the hair you can see easily. Always offer a small treat as a reward so the next time your pooch will be more cooperative. If you see redness inside the ear from the last session, wait until the ear appears normal before trying to remove more hair. The task will become easier due to less hair growth as your pet matures. Your dog's ears can be easily cleaned with a little olive oil, mineral oil, or apple cider vinegar on a cotton pad or a cotton ball. Discard the pads when soiled and continue with a fresh one. Q-tips should only be used where you can see at all times. If there's any sign of infection, go to the vet. A few drops of aloe gel placed in the inside of your dog's ear helps to alleviate irritation. Some groomers prefer to use dog ear powder to aid with the removal of the hair. It's great if you can get all of the hair, and a hemostat helps with the most difficult areas. Hemostats come with curved or straight jaws to grip the hair. Be careful to only grip the hair and not the skin. Always sterilize any tools used to keep bacteria out of the scenario. You can order the hemostat on my website. Go to artieweb.com, go to the video buy page, scroll down to vendors I recommend, and enter the hemostat in the vendor search bar. Bad smells from the ears are one of the first signs besides sensitivity to touch, redness, swelling, and excessive scratching, and repeated head shaking. Ear infections can happen if water gets trapped inside of the ear canal from swimming or bathing. Poor diet and ear health are more factors that can lead to ear infections. Dogs with ears that lay down instead of standing erect are more at risk for bacteria and fungus infections. With this type of ear, the flap aids in trapping the moisture and the air cannot circulate as freely. Add in the hair growth, and it's the perfect breeding ground for all kinds of not-so-fun critters to procreate. It's smart to educate yourself about your pet's ears. Ear infections can start from allergies or pests like ear mites. Ear mites love moist, dark places with hair to harbor in. Get rid of the environment these pests enjoy by removing the hair growing inside the ear. If you suspect ear mites, take a little bit of your dog's earwax and smear it on a piece of white paper. Examine it under a bright light. Look for moving, tiny white specks. Or if you choose to go to the vet and have them test for ear mites. Ear mites are contagious to other pets, and if you own more than one pet, you may need to treat them all. My ebook, Artie's Professional Tips for Companion Dogs, has a simple treatment from a vet who shared her secret. It stops the ear mite cycle with 2 treatments. It's cheap plus very effective. What really counts is that you have removed the major bulk of the hair to prevent ear problems. You can let the groomer finish the job if the hair is too difficult to remove, or schedule to be done entirely by the groomer if the task disgusts you.